Hello student of class 11. This video is for mathematical induction. Now I am going to start the sum number short answer type question, sum number 8 under 1. That means 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus dash 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 plus 2n minus 1 whole square. This equal to n by 3 4n square minus 1. Okay. Let Pn this equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus up to 2n minus 1. This is 3 square. 2n minus 1 square, this equal to n by 3 4n square minus 1. Okay. When n equal to 1, I can say left hand side P1, this is 1 square, this is equal to 1, and another side 1 by 3, 4 minus 1, this is equal to 1 by 3 into 3, this equal to 1. That means P1 equal to left hand side equal to right hand side. I can write it. So P1 is true. I can write P1 is true. After that I will write P1 is true when n equal to 1. That Pn is true when n equal to 1. That means P1 is true. Let us assume that like as previous sum, I will write let us assume that Pn is true for n equal to m. That means Pm this equal to 1 square plus 3 square plus dash 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 plus 2m minus 1 square. This equal to m by 3 4m square minus 1. Okay, we need to prove that Pn plus 1 this equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus dash 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 plus 2 into m plus 1 minus 1 whole square. That means this equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus dash 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 plus 2 m square. M is replaced by m plus 1. M is replaced by m plus 1. That means this one. So this equal to 2m plus 1 whole square. This equal to m plus 1 by 3 and 4m plus 1 whole square minus 1. We need to prove this. So I can write Pm plus 1 this equal to 1 square plus 2 square 3 square 1 plus this is 3 square 3 square up to 2n minus 1 whole square plus this is up to mth term and m plus 1 term is this. That means 2m plus 1 whole square. From here to here, this means Pm plus 2m plus I1 square. From here to here, I can write this equal to Pm. This is the previous term of this term. Okay. So, this equal to m by 3 4m square minus 1 plus 1 square. Okay. This equal to m by 3 2m minus 1 and 2m plus 1 plus 2m plus 1 whole square. That means if I take 2m plus 1 by 3 common from here, I can write m into 2m minus 1 plus 3 into 2m plus 1. Okay. This equal to 2m plus 1 by 3 2m square minus m plus 6m, that is plus 5m plus 3. This equal to 2m plus 1 by 3. This equal to 2m plus 3 and m plus 1, and 2m plus 3 and 2m plus 3 and m plus 1. This equal to m plus 1 by 3. This can be written in this way, m plus 1, and next one is 2m plus 1, and next one is 2m plus 3. That this equal to m plus 1 by 3, and this equal to 4m square, 4m square plus 8m plus 3. This equal to m plus 1 by 3, 4m square, 4m square plus 8m plus 4 minus 1. This can be written in this way. This equal to this equal to m plus 1 by 3, and this is 4. If I take common 4, 2m plus 1 minus 1. So m plus 1 by 3, 4 m plus 1 whole square minus 1. I can write it in this way. So P m plus 1 is true for n equal to m plus 1. That means by mathematical induction I can say n is true for all n belongs to capital N. Now I am going to the next sum. This sum is sum number 9 under 1. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 dash 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 plus n into n plus 1. This equal to 1/3 n into n plus 1 and n plus 2. Let Pn this equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus dash 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 plus n into n plus 1, that equal to 1/3 n plus 1 n plus 2. Let us assume that when n equal to 1, that means P1 this equal to 1 into 2, this equal to 2, and this is left hand side, and this 1/3 into 1 into 2 into 3, that means this also 2. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So I can say as a similar way I can say P1 is true. Let us assume that when n equal to m, that means Pm is true for n equal to m. That means Pm equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 dash 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 up to m into m plus 1. This equal to 1/3 m into m plus 1 and m plus 2. We need to prove that Pm plus 1 is true. What is Pm plus 1? Pm plus 1, this equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus dash 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 plus m plus 1 into m plus 2. That is, I can write it in this way, 2 3 plus last term is m plus 1 m plus 2, and its previous term is m into m plus 1. Okay. In m plus 1 term, m is replaced by m plus 1. That so next last term is m plus 1 and m plus 2. Up to this is Pm plus m plus 1 into m plus 2. I can write it. I think it is clear to all. This equal to 1/3 m plus 1 m plus 2, this plus m plus 1, m plus 2. If I take common 1/3 m plus 1, m plus 2, then I can write m plus 3. Okay? Okay. So, this equal to m plus 1, this equal to m plus 1 plus 1, and this equal to m plus 1 plus 2. That means we need to prove Pm plus 1 equal to this, and hence proved. So, I can write Pm plus 1 is true when n equal to m plus 1. So, by mathematical induction, it can be easily proved that Pn is true for all n belongs to capital N. I can say it. I am ending here.